7, 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting with the man's perspective, gentlemen, during the next two musical beats, stay put and start leading the lady into her counterclockwise rotation. Then during her last two steps, you will join her movement, synchronizing your steps with hers. Start by leading your right hand slightly in front of you, then it goes down to the right above the lady's head. Now take a side step to the left, joining the partner's movement and getting close to her, connect right foot to left foot and place her hand behind your neck like this. Now place your left hand on the lady's back and keep your right hand low on the right side or place it behind your back, whatever you prefer. Shift your weight to the right leg and we will dance the dip. So bend your right knee, reaching with the left leg to the side, then actively push off the right leg and shift your weight to the left one. Left knee should be bent immediately and directed slightly to the side. Left hand is strong and supports the lady's back. At this point, tilt your upper body to the left, looking at the partner, but avoid leaning forward because you may lose your balance. Now actively push off the left leg and shift your weight to the right one, pulling the partner back into the vertical position. Then fluidly face each other, gentlemen connect left foot to right foot and shift your weight to the left leg. During this dip there is a certain degree of freedom in terms of timing and interpretation, so you can dance it a bit more fluidly, staying in the pose longer, then fluidly, gradually get out of it, or you can dance it dynamically, get out of it quickly, then stay put for a while and maybe sway your hips from side to side. The important thing is to finish this sequence by the count of 4 with the man standing on the left leg. Okay, now let's cover the lady's perspective. Ladies, rotate counterclockwise, taking 4 steps along a straight line. Start with the left leg, right, left, right. Almost connect your feet and place your weight on the left leg. Meanwhile, place your right hand behind the man's neck, like this. You should be with your right side to the partner. Now bend your left knee in sync with him, push off the left leg and take a step backward onto the right leg. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight in front of you. Drive your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward. Rotate your body counterclockwise, leading the free hand to the side and following it with your gaze. Then push off the right leg, step forward onto the left leg, rotate to face the partner. Let's turn around to show this from the front as well, to make sure that everything is clear. From this position, so again, rotate counterclockwise, keep the steps rather small. Left, right, connect your feet, together bend your knees and in sync with each other go into the pose and out of it. Ladies, turn to face the partner, place both hands on his shoulders. Okay, let's go back to our proper direction to count this part. Here we go. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.